What's up guys, it's me Lego Paradise here, and today I'm going to show you how to build this Lego version of Claptrap, the famous robot from the Borderlands series. With the upcoming release of Borderlands 3, I thought I'd have a go at building a minifigure scale version of this famous character. So if we take him off his stand, we can take a look at the details, and I've tried to recreate his iconic shape and design using as few parts as possible. But that doesn't mean I've limited the posability. See, you can still make him wave and raise his arms up in the air as if he's running away from something. You can also rotate his single mono wheel to make it look like he's driving around in circles, or make it look like he's leaning forwards and backwards with his display stand. I think this is a great little representation, and it's the perfect size to go alongside your minifigures. So let's take a look at how to build him. Here's what you're going to need to build your very own Lego Claptrap. And once you've collected your pieces, we can begin by building his head. So for this, you can take a 1x1 brick with all of the studs on the sides, and just extend that with a 1x1 plate. And then to build his eye, we can simply invert a 1x1 stud and place it in the center. Then underneath this, to recreate the white paint stripe, just use a 1x2 tile, make sure that's nice and lined up in the center. And then on the back of his head, this is where his antenna can go. So we'll use a Lego gear lever piece for this, and just make sure, again, it's nice and in the center. We can clip that on the back. And we can put his head aside for now, because next we're going to build his body. So his body uses a similar 1x1 brick with the studs on all the sides, although this time, on the top of it, we're going to place a 1x1 plate in transparent red. So this will act as the insides of the red control panel on the front of his body. So then with this, you're going to want to take a 1x2 grill brick, and you can just about see the red control panel shines through. You'll see that obviously a lot better with the light behind it, but that's a really cool effect. Then on the other side, we can take a yellow 1x2 grill brick, and just place that there for now as well, on the opposite side. Then finally, to build his wheel, we're going to want to take this 1x1 round plate with the bar attachment, and clip that so the back of the wheel is actually on this side. And then, since the wheel's looking a little bit thin, we can extend that by using a 1x1 round tile in black. And it doesn't have to have this printed design, but I think it just looks a little bit more like a tyre this way. So then we can attach this whole body to the ground with the help of a small bracket, and that will just allow you to pose your Claptrap and make him stand upright, because that's a little bit tricky to do with only one wheel. Finally, to build the sides, these are very simple. You just take two 2x3 angular plates and just clip a 1x1 tile with a clip on it on the sides. Then for his arms, you can use these battle droid arms. They work perfectly for his long, spindly, robotic arms. And just clip them like that. So this way you have a full range of motion, and you can pose him in lots of different ways. So you can just repeat this for his second body panel. And we're almost finished. All that's left to do is to connect everything together. So we can start by taking his body, the lower half, and we'll just clip this to this part, so it attaches directly to the stud. And then in this gap above it, this is where his head goes, and that just clips on to this corner of the plate. So you might need to move it around just to get it to fit, but in the end it should fit exactly perfectly. And you'll notice as well there's quite a big gap here, so that means you can just slide up the back 1x2 grill panel, and that means that will be slightly higher up than the front. But don't worry, that should all fit together perfectly, and we can finish it off by building his other side. And there you go, your very own Lego Claptrap is complete. So I hope you enjoyed building it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and share the video. And if you want to see more of these Lego how to build creations, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I build a wide variety of different Lego creations and how to build videos, just like this one. So I'll be back next time, and thanks for watching.